Welcome back. In this video, we will cover OneCart's Unlinked Variant page. Let's navigate over to Health Check, Unlinked Variants. The Unlinked Variants page is very useful when you're getting set up with OneCart initially. This page summarizes all of your SKUs under your OneCart inventory list that have not been matched or pointing towards one of your marketplace listings. In other words, these are the SKUs in OneCart that you need to go and match to one or more of your marketplace listings. Once this task is completed, your OneCart account is technically ready to be functional. This page might also be helpful if you're publishing new SKUs for the first time. Generally, you would need to first bulk create your new SKUs in the OneCart inventory list. And from there, you would then import your marketplace listings, and using the Unlinked Variants page, you would then be able to find the SKUs in OneCart that need to be matched or need to be pointed towards your marketplace listings.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.